You back! Gonna just do. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God.
Mama, I have first. Me's gonna read it in front of you.
Okay, let's go. Just
And I read the Bible in front of you. Genesis, ano to? Genesis chapter 1, verse 1.
Let's go. Just do this.
In the beginning,
So do
when
that
God created
and do this. Like,
God in the beginning.
salamat mo ay patawanin mo, Panginoon, kaibigan ko. Kaibigan ko, ikaw naman.
When God created the heavens
Kaibigan ko. Tulalang mo masimula uli. Dulay ko'y ay masayo.
God called the light day, and the darkness He called night. That's how day and night created. Evening came and morning followed the first day. Then God
Salamat mo at patawanin mo, Panginoon, kaibigan ko. Tulalang mo masimula.
And so it happened.
Turay ko'y ay nasa'yo.
God called the dome sky. Evening came and morning followed. The second day.
What about?
Let the water out of the sky be gathered
Ay, ha.
into single basins.
What about ako ma?
Dry land may appear. And so it happened. The water under the sky was gathered into its basin, and the dry land appeared.
This is my
Dry
king.
land earth, and the basin
Panginoon, kaibigan ko.
was good. Then God said, let the earth bring forth vegetation, every kind of plant that bears seed, and every kind of fruit tree on earth that bears fruit with its seed in it. And so it happened. The earth brought forth vegetation, every kind of plant that bears seed, and every kind of fruit tree that bears fruit with its seed in it. God saw that it was good. By the way, I'm on Genesis chapter 1, verse 12.
My friend be like when she draws like a pig. She draws like a pig. Pig. Piggy. Oh. Okay, let me just